What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to disable the AI that Google already added on Gmail. Most problem is you did not set it up, it goes automatically, okay? So you did not allow, you did not know, just got this online, and of course it's present on terms and servers, but some AI reading my emails is not a thing that I would like, even if they can help, okay? So how to disable this is what I'm gonna learn to this video on Gmail. You need to go to your computer, okay, and open your Gmail, review the upper right corner of your screen, and click into this gear icon next to the AI icon, okay? Once on this gear icon, go to See All Settings, this option right here. Scroll down just a little bit until you find the AI options, okay? Right here, Google Workspace Smart Features. Choose personalize your experience with smart features across Workplace with Google products. Workplace includes Google Apps for business and schools such as Gmail, Chat, Meet, and Drive. Click on Manage Workplace, and right here, yours gonna be up on to both options and smart features on Google Workplace and smart feature and other Google products. All you have to do is disable these two options right here, and you're gonna be disabling the AI features, okay? Of course, AI gonna still try to work on your Gmail. There is no option to turn it off completely, but with these two simple tasks, you already have a good option, and you can click on save changes, okay? And you are good to go. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.